Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you for joining us on another fantastic week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And this week it's been challenge week, and this week the challenge was put out by Letspourwithpattie, so it's embellishment week. I've done something a little different for me, which usually I would have got out the paint pens and embellish this one, but I thought, no, this one needed something a little bit different. So what we're going to do is we're going to put on some tunes, and you're going to see how this one came to life. So sit back, put your feet up, let's have some fun.
To be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. It feels good to be me. Ain't no worries, I don't gotta hurry. Kiss those cares goodbye. Hello, freedom, live what I'm dreaming. Time to be alive. Get ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. The past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire, my voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire, my voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire, my voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I'm catching on fire, my voice is gasoline. I'm catching on fire like you never seen. I was born for the war, I was born for the battle, battle. Let the cannons ring and the thunder rattle, rattle. You won't see a white flag lifting up from me. When the smoke clears, it's me that you see. I love the fight. I love the fight. I won't back down, I won't give in, 'cause in the end, I love the fight.
Alrighty, so what I did with my piece, once the heart radial had finally fully dried, I let it go for about a week or two so I could make sure that that way, when I glue everything onto this piece, that the paint is really dry thoroughly underneath. So what I decided is, I have this great little box of tricks here, which is full of just these little wooden cutouts. And really easy to put together because you can either paint them, I suppose, as well. But I find it really easy just to grab out your Poscas, and you can see just how well they fully cure. So when you're putting the colour on, I only had to do one coat, not two coats. They really absorb the colour beautifully, nice and solid. And I find with these wooden shapes, if you do use a paint pen instead of a paintbrush with paint, sometimes you get little lines through the wood. The paint pens seem to get in there beautifully, and you're not getting any drips down the side. You still get the nice wood look down the side. So that's what I went for this time, instead of doing one of my hand-drawn embellishments, just for something different. And I think, now you're looking at the close-up, you'll agree with me, that's all it really needed. Sometimes a piece doesn't need a lot, it just needs a little bit of something. So that is my contribution this week to the Fluid Art Express for Let's Pour with Pattie's challenge. Thanks for putting it out there, Pattie. I had a lot of fun with this one, and I'm actually, even though I didn't hand draw it, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Gave it a little bit of a 3D look. I thought it brought it to life A-OK. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you had fun as always. And until next time, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.